Television ratings in India have been put on hold for now. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has directed the Broadcast Audience Research Council to stop publishing all television ratings, including both news and entertainment, until it completes registration under the Television Ratings Policy 2026. The order expands an earlier suspension that applied only to news ratings. As a result, Park's weekly viewership data, widely used by broadcasters, advertisers, and media planners, will remain unavailable until the registration process is complete. The new policy came into force in March 2026, replacing the 2014 framework. It states that no television rating agency can generate or publish ratings without approval under the revised rules. The policy also brings major changes. Landing page viewership will no longer be counted in TV ratings. It also reduces the minimum net worth requirements for rating agencies from 20 crore rupees to 5 crore rupees, opening the door for more players in the sector. In addition, the policy mandates technology-neutral audience measurement across cable TV, DTH, OTT platforms, and connected TVs. Rating agencies have also been asked to expand their sample size to 80,000 metered homes, improve transparency, and comply with the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023.